Understanding Shed Workshop, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the meaning and usage of the phrase, shed workshop. This term might be new to many of you, so we'll explore it in detail. Let's get started. Shed workshop is a compound noun, made up of two words, shed and workshop. A shed is a small building, usually situated in a garden or backyard, used for storage or as a workspace. A workshop, on the other hand, refers to a space or room where work, especially manual or artistic work, is done. When combined, shed workshop refers to a small, personal space, typically in a backyard or garden, that's been converted or used as a place for carrying out manual tasks, hobbies, or crafts. It's a private, often cozy area where someone can focus on their projects, be it woodworking, painting, or any other creative or practical activity. The phrase can be used in various contexts. For example, I spend my weekends in my shed workshop, working on carpentry projects. She converted the old garden shed into a beautiful shed workshop for her pottery. Understanding this term helps in grasping the concept of personal workspaces and the culture of home-based crafting or DIY activities. I hope this video has shed light on what a shed workshop is and how you can use this term in your conversations. It's fascinating to see how two simple words can combine to create a specific and meaningful concept. Keep learning and exploring the English language with us. See you in the next video.